Okay, this is what we've got. We've got right here, part program. There's nothing loaded. We're going to load the program. Go to part program management. Come up here. Just happens to be selected already, the sample program I wrote for cabinetware. Activate it. Now you see it's loaded down there. Close the window. We're going to come over here. Make sure this switch is in the run position. Let's see, where's the switch? Yeah, right there, run position. We're going to push the green button, which I'll do, but that's going to activate the program over there. Goes up. And now it is waiting for us to turn on the vacuum pump and then press the green button again. So there's the vacuum pump. And we press the green button again. Now everybody's happy. Goes over, gets tool number 2, which is a 1/4-inch end mill. And by the way, the 7th time is a charm. Now, this is going to take a little while. I'm going to video the whole thing just because I wanted to know how long it takes. But then I'm going to edit the video later. So we can go in here and look at it, and right now it's doing a 3-inch square, and it's doing it basically 1/10 of an inch at a time. You notice it automatically changes the direction. Not sure why, but it seems like a good idea to keep the bit happy. I have no idea if you can hear me over the volume of the machine. Maybe I'll just set the whole thing to music later. Okay, now it's starting over. It's going down another 1/10 of an inch. It's going to do the same thing. So that took 3 minutes, so this is going to take 3 minutes. Last pass, 50 thousandths deep instead of a 1/10 of an inch. Still takes 3 minutes though. Hey, wait a minute, I'm at 4 minutes and I'm at 4 minutes and like 45 seconds there. I'm at 5 minutes. Huh. Maybe it didn't take 3 minutes. Maybe it was even faster. I guess the beginning of the 3 minutes was starting the thing up. Put back tool number 2. It's going to grab tool number 1. It's a 1/2-inch end mill. We can use a bigger end mill for this because it's just going to be a circular pocket. Right about there. Again, it's doing a 1/10 of an inch at a time. Our elapsed time now is 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Alright, it's going to go put that tool away. And it's going to come back over here. Yeah, it's got the big guns out now. Let's drill some holes, shall we? We'll drill some more holes. Oh, let's take 2 of them away and drill 2 more holes. Cool. Now, going to put those tools away, which it did. It's going to grab tool 7. Tool 7 is also a 1/2-inch end mill, but it's the one that came with the machine. I figured why waste the wear out the new one. We're just going to do the profile now, and it's waiting for me to press the green button to make sure I want to do that. So I'm going to press it. Now it's cutting 1/10 of an inch at a time, and it's going to make 7 passes. No, 8 passes, I guess. It's going to go all the way down to 50 thousandths below the material. So it's the 50 thousandths into the spoil board. taking 50 thousandths off the edge, so we have a clean edge. Of course, this is an old piece of scrap, so it's not going to be a clean edge anyway. But it'll be cleaner. I'm just going to drop down 1/10 of an inch and do it again. Now it's waiting. What's it waiting for? It's waiting for me to turn off the vacuum pump. There you go. Press the green button to continue, and it will say end of program.